नमस्ते, केम छो, कैसे हैं आप सब? मैं मेघना सेजपाल प्रवेक पॉडकास्ट के एक और एपिसोड में आप सबका तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। प्रवेक पॉडकास्ट, where we invite well-known personalities from different fields, various fields, to know about their own journey, the journey of their life and journey as in travel as well. As you all know, that Pravek is recognized as India's best hospitality company that caters to various things and that offers curated experiences to their family resorts and boutique properties. So we want our guests to share about their idea on traveling. And today, let me tell you, I'm extremely excited about the guest that we have. Why? Because today's episode is going to be full of energy, laughter, and stories that will make you turn up the volume. एक मीठी खनकती आवाज़, एक सरल सी सोच और कभी-कभी सोचने पे मजबूर कर देती हुई इनकी बातें। ये एक बहुत ही प्यारी शख्सियत है जिनकी आवाज़ आपने कहीं ना कहीं सुनी होगी, ड्राइव करते वक्त, ऑफिस में, घर में या अपने पसंदीदा गीतों के बीच में। ये है हमारी प्यारी सी अहमदाबाद की वेल नोन रेडियो जॉकी आरजे राधिका। A very, very warm welcome, Radhika.
Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
It's so good to have you here since we have known each other for such a long time.
Yeah.
But yeah, I guess this is the one platform that we can connect to each other officially.
Yeah, of course. એટલે ગુજરાતીમાં બોલાય ને?
Hindi would be preferred.
Okay.
Hindi English
So
would be preferred.
नवरात्रि में हम हर साल मिलते हैं, साथ में
Yes.
गरबा करते हैं. But this
Yes.
is for the first time that we are meeting and chatting.
Yes.
And I'm very happy that we are here.
Glad. So, Radhika, my first question would be, how did you get into radio jockeying and आपका सफर अब तक कैसा रहा?
Okay. So there is one very interesting story about my journey and how I became an RJ. I was into dancing. So at that time यहाँ पे शामकदार के workshops होते थे.
Yes.
And I was kind of good at it. So I was in the special potential batch. So I was like, instructor ही बनना है हमें, dance ही करना है हमें. I never thought about radio at all. Never ever in my life.
Wow.
I also did fashion designing.
Oh really?
So I have always been a fashion or styling fan. तो ये दो चीजें थी जो करनी थी.
But let me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
Fashion designing आपने किया है वो दिखता है.
Thank you so much. So one day my mom told me that मैंने रेडियो पे किसी आरजे ट्रेनिंग वर्कशॉप के बारे में सुना है. Why don't you join it?
Okay.
I told my mom that do you think that I should? क्या करूँगी मैं वहाँ जाके? तो मम्मी ने बोला तेरी आवाज़ अच्छी है, कुछ तो कर लेगी. तो just because my mom told me,
Wow.
मैं हमेशा ऐसा मानती हूँ कि मम्मी जो बोलती है उसमें कभी ना नहीं बोलना चाहिए. उसके there's something
Yes.
when she says.
Yes.
तो मैंने हाँ बोला, मैंने वर्कशॉप ज्वाइन किया and I used to bunk the workshop classes
Oh
to
my God.
go to my dance classes.
Dance class.
But final stage में when I got selected, मुझे strictly बताया गया कि नहीं, no bunking now. You are going to focus on radio. And that's how I became RJ. हम 50 लोग थे इस training workshop में. And out of those 50, we 2 became RJ. Me and
Wow.
my one friend. So that was a very happy surprise for me. And I told my mom it's just because of you.
Exactly. Totally. I was about to tell you that, as you said, moms कभी-कभी कुछ कहती है ना, तो तब हमें पता नहीं चलता. But later on in our
Yeah.
lives, we realize that whatever they say, whatever they suggest,
Yeah.
is always good for us.
वो मैं ये स्कोप नहीं रखती, मैं मान लेती हूँ. I don't wait कि I will realize one day and मुझे ऐसा लगेगा कि मेरी मम्मी सच बोलती, मान ले. Whatever she says, say yes.
Perfect. Perfect. I agree, and I'll show this episode to my daughter.
Yeah, please do that.
Okay, Radhika, tell us that how's your journey so far as a radio jockey?
Journey बहुत 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 ज़्यादा सुंदर. Because when I joined radio, I was literally a kid. I was 22 when I became RJ.
Wow.
Yeah. So now you know my age.
We don't know how many years you spent there.
I'm not going to tell you.
So yeah, don't tell that.
But nahi, so I was literally a kid when I joined radio. I knew nothing about radio when I joined the training program. After the training, of course, सब पता चला और बहुत ही सुंदर एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. मैंने हमेशा से जब मुझे किसी ने पूछा है that why radio and what makes that special, so I always tell them that theater basic जो कहा जाता है रेडियो के बारे में वो ये है कि रेडियो इज थिएटर ऑफ माइंड. Okay,
absolutely.
You express your emotions through your voice and your voice modulations. And I think whatever I have done in my life has helped me in radio. So अब तक मैंने जितनी भी बातें की हैं, जितने भी सेगमेंट्स किए हैं, जितने भी कैंपेन्स किए हैं, उसका डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ में मैंने जो सीखा है उससे है. So मैंने अभी तक जितना भी सीखा है I could use that in radio. And till now it's a beautiful journey. And I am so happy that I joined radio. And आगे भी I am so sure that it is going to be very beautiful.
Yeah. I always think about this one thing, Radhika,
जी.
that कभी-कभी ये मुश्किल नहीं होता जब when you are not in the right mood or that good mood, but you are expected कि आप अपने listeners में ढेर सारी positivity लाए, motivation लाए. So on those days, how do you deal with your job?
So there are two things. I have done theatre also. मतलब I'm still doing theatre, acting. So theatre और रेडियो में एक चीज़ बहुत कॉमन. थिएटर में जब आप स्टेज पे चढ़ते हो और रेडियो में जब आप माइक ऑन करते हो, everything changes.
Yeah, you forget about the rest of the world.
Yeah, everything changes. And yes, there are bad days, there are worse days, there are not so well days. But once you switch on the mic,
Yeah.
everything just goes away.
Yeah, there is a switch here in here also which can be turned
Yeah,
off
so-
and on.
करेक्ट. सो हम जब थिएटर करते हैं, एक्टिंग करते हैं, तब भी हमें यही सिखाया जाता है. एंड सिखाया जाता है. उसके साथ साथ आप जब स्टेज पे चढ़ते हो और आप एक्टिंग करते हो तो सामने जितने भी लोग बैठे हैं वो सब ब्लर हो जाता है. You forget
So
everything. You
agree.
can't see anything else but just the stage and the characters
And the
around you.
character. Yes.
And that exactly what happens in radio.
Wow.
So ऐसा बहुत सारी बार हुआ है कि जैसे आंसू पोंछ के माइक ऑन करके हमने रेडियो पे बात की है with a big smile.
I know.
And that's when we realized that wow, this is.
So I'm sure you
magic.
must be having a lot of gratitude towards your job, towards what
Yeah.
you're doing, because at the end of the day, you are spreading a lot of happiness around.
And you know it's not so right now. पहले ऐसा था कि जब रेडियो पे हम बात करते थे, we used to make sure that we will talk only and only positive things. We still do that.
Yes, yes.
But right now, one thing which has changed is you share what you feel. If
Right.
अगर कुछ हुआ है हमारी सिटी में, हमारे देश में, उसके बारे में आपकी कोई राय है, of course keeping everything in mind, you talk about that, you discuss things, you
True.
ask people what they feel.
True.
So it's not about just spreading smile. Of course it is there, but it's also about sharing.
Yes.
It's also about conversation, a good conversation which feels like a therapy.
Yes.
You know?
It is all about purpose.
Yeah, so that is very special. That शायद आपको नहीं पता कि आपने कोई थॉट शेयर किया, आपने शायद आपकी खुद की फीलिंग शेयर की, एंड द पर्सन हु इज लिसनिंग टू यू is also going through the same thing.
Same thing. Yeah.
And maybe you just answered his or her question
Yes.
or the
Or
confusion.
you just share it. Just
Correct.
share the feeling so that the connection is there.
And what happens, you know, sometimes when we talk on radio, हम लोगों को कुछ, जैसे मैं अभी आपको कुछ बता रही हूँ कि ऐसा ऐसा करना चाहिए, but maybe I am telling myself also.
Exactly. Very true. Very true.
So that is the beautiful part.
Yeah.
That is the beautiful part, that it's all about a good conversation.
True.
हाँ, बात अलग है कि ये one side होता है. Of course, when we talk on calls, we get calls, तो वो दो side का हो जाता है. But it's beautiful. It has evolved in a very beautiful way.
Yeah. So you talked about calls. Do you remember any call that was really, maybe weird, maybe very nice, maybe very good, maybe very strange?
Oh, so many, so many. But one call which I will never ever forget in my life. I started my journey with another radio station,
Okay.
and I was in Baroda.
Okay.
So one day I get a call that, hi, Radhika, તમારી સ્માઇલ બહુ સરસ છે. So I was like, मैं तो रेडियो पे बात करती हूँ, आप मेरी स्माइल कैसे देख सकते हो? And that person told me that હું જોઈ નથી શકતો. I am a blind person.
Wow.
But whenever I listen to your voice, I can imagine and I can feel and listen to your smile in your voice.
Oh my God.
And that made me so happy. Oh my God,
The best compliment ever.
this is so special. બીજો એક call હતો, one more call in which, oh, there are so many. Someone told me that मैंने मेरी बेटी का नाम राधिका रखा है
Uh-huh.
because I really want her to be like you, and that was
Aw.
like, oh please don't say this. Because
Amazing.
compliments के साथ pressure भी आ जाता है that
Yes.
you will have to, behave or maybe work harder for
Yes.
this.
Yes. To
जो आपने
maintain
फिर-
this.
to maintain this.
Absolutely.
We did a meet and greet 2 years back, and I always used to get messages from one Instagram account saying that whenever I watch your video, my baby kicks. She
Oh.
was pregnant.
Uh-huh.
When we did the meet and greet, she came with her baby,
Oh.
and she was like, I don't know what is the connection, but whenever she hears your voice, she smiles.
Oh,
She
my
still remembers
goodness.
your voice
Wow.
from the womb. And he was like, oh my God, this is big.
Collecting all the blessings.
Yeah, it feels very special.
Yeah.
Very, very special.
Radhika, we talked about your radio jockey job and all the things and your blessings, and now I want to know that radio jockeying के अलावा what are the things that excite you?
Okay. So, I love dancing. I love dancing. अगर मैं रेडियो जॉकी नहीं होती तो मैं डांसर होती फॉर श्योर. इतना ज़्यादा प्यार है मुझे डांसिंग से. आई रियली विश टू लर्न अ लॉट डांस. अलग अलग डांस फॉर्म्स मुझे अभी भी सीखने हैं. वन मोर थिंग इज सिंगिंग बिकॉज माई फादर सिंग्स
Uh-huh.
and he is a musician. So I love that. And one more thing is traveling. I love to travel. Love यानी वो नहीं है कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैवल करना है एक साल में. नहीं, I will go at one place but I will just enjoy everything.
Yeah.
I just wish to be there, enjoy every bit of it,
Hmm.
and just stay.
So it is more about like you don't want to tick mark the places, but you want to go explore the place and you want to be there and you want to understand the lifestyle, the culture, the people there, right?
Yeah, the whole vibe. So, हम जब भी travel करते हैं, my husband, he makes the plans. और मैं सिर्फ बैग पकड़ के ऐसे खड़ी होती हूँ. वो बोलता है राइट जाना है, मैं राइट जाती हूँ. वो बोलता है लेफ्ट जाना है, मैं लेफ्ट जाती हूँ. He plans everything.
Oh,
Okay?
wow.
Because एक तो मैं इतनी efforts नहीं डालती. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि so he does that. And also, I am not a person who really wishes to know everything about the place. I want to be excited. I want to be surprised. I want to be shocked.
Yeah.
I want to feel everything. So मुझे पहले से देखना अच्छा नहीं लगता. मुझे ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं okay, I will see this. ये कैसा है. No. I will just know the place. That okay, we are going here. मैं उसकी रील्स नहीं देखूंगी, मैं उसके फोटोज नहीं देखूंगी, मैं होटल स्टे नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं देखूंगी. मुझे बस वहाँ जाके देखना है और मेरा पहला रिएक्शन जो है वो नेचुरल होना चाहिए. दैट इफ आई एम सरप्राइज्ड, आई एम एक्चुअली वेरी सरप्राइज्ड.
Wow.
I am that
This is
person.
so good. This is so good. Actually, it has to be this way only. Don't you
Yeah.
think so?
Yeah.
Because in this era of social media, reels, everything is so exposed कि आपको फिर पता ही नहीं चलता कि आपको लगता है कि मैं वहाँ पर हूँ, मैं वहाँ पर जाके आई हूँ, है
I
ना?
know, right? सो मैं आई स्टिल रिमेंबर 10th के वैकेशन में मैं अपनी मम्मी पापा के साथ हिमाचल प्रदेश गई थी और मैंने पहली बार अपनी ज़िंदगी में माउंटेन्स देखे थे कवर्ड विथ स्नो एंड आई वाज ब्लोन
वाओ
माय माइंड वाज ब्लोन अवे एंड मैं बस देखती रहती थी मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैंने सोचा नहीं कि इतना सुंदर हो सकता है आई वांट टू फील दैट एवरी टाइम आई ट्रैवल
wow that's the perfect way to do it I
Yeah.
tell you yes so as you said Radhika ki you want to be surprised
Yeah.
right do you also collect stories from various places that you travel to
so that's not a very conscious effort
all right
very frankly because what I feel is आप जहाँ भी जाते हो आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऑब्जर्व करते हो जीते हो और वो आप में ऑटोमेटिकली रह जाती है
true
you don't have to specifically consciously think that oh this might be a story this can be a story
right
no it just stays for example we made औरता जो नवरात्रि के बारे में है नवरात्रि में गरबा करने वाले गरबा से प्यार करने वाले दो लोग एक दूसरे के प्यार में पड़ते हैं and then something happens
right
and then they decide कि अब गरबा नहीं रंगवाना and then again something happens it's a beautiful story
Yeah.
but it's a story from my hometown
right
so the love story which we have shown in Orta I have seen that
wow
मैंने अपने चाइल्डहुड में लोगों को देखा है गरबा करते हुए और देख के पता चलता है कि ओ
and the connection
कुछ हो रहा है कुछ तो हो रहा है वहाँ पे and then you see them smile and
Right.
एक दूसरे को इशारे करते हुए साथ में गरबा करते हुए you feel that spark and that connection so हमने ट्राई किया कि हम औरता में बोलिए पाए and we have a page called Orta Tribe in which we put different stories I really wish to work with everyone जिसे स्टोरीज अच्छी लगती है जिससे स्टोरी कहनी है जिससे एक्ट करना है जिससे लिखना है जिससे डायरेक्ट करना है वी हैव अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ग्रुप इन अहमदाबाद और ग्रुप ऑफ आर्टिस्ट्स
Yeah.
वेरी टैलेंटेड पीपल आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट ओ आई एम गोइंग टू गिव देम स्टेज और प्लेटफॉर्म नो इट्स ऑल अबाउट गेटिंग टुगेदर
collective efforts
एंड जस्ट मेक समथिंग गुड
Yeah.
क्रिएट समथिंग गुड
yeah I completely understand and
Yeah.
agree because I know how the collective efforts of creativity when they come together
Yeah.
there's something beautiful that is created
Yeah,
And
if you
that
tell me
is so
tomorrow that
satisfactory.
Radhika, I have a good story, I will say चलो बनाइए.
चलो बनावी
मैंने वो गमे. I just love that.
Yeah.
और travel करते हैं तभी यही होता है. There is one thing जो मेरे दिमाग में छपी हुई है. We went to Phuket. Okay. There is one street called Bangla Street.
okay
Okay, it is known for the strip clubs and everything.
right
Not a very good street for kids. Okay.
got it.
I have changed my bag. Otherwise, I have that keychain, crochet keychain, a turtle keychain. So वहाँ एक लेडी थी जो keychain बेच रही थी और उनके साथ उनकी इतनी बेटी थी. And I was very shocked कि वो यहाँ क्या कर रही है? What is she doing here? She should not be seeing all this.
yes
But she was just helping her mother.
mother yeah
मैंने उसे देखा मैं उसके पास गई और मैंने उससे पूछा कि आप क्या करते हो ये वो देन आई वाज लाइक आई वांट टू बाय दिस एनी ऑफ दीज आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है एंड शी पिक्ड अप द टर्टल एंड शी वाज लाइक दिस इज माय फेवरेट
wow
एंड आई बॉट इट एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर हर आईज
yes
she couldn't understand anything around her what she was just staring at her mom and she was just there with her.
right
So it's like if you keep your eyes open and if you absorb and experience everything around you, you'll find a story.
how beautiful that was so as Radhika, as you are a radio jockey and RJ, have you done any segment on travel?
I have done.
Yeah.
So I still remember. मुझे exact नाम नहीं पता, but there was a group of फीमेल्स जिन्होंने बाइक राइड की,
Okay.
जो यहाँ से, और उसमें हर एक एज ग्रुप की फीमेल्स थी जो बाइक चला के अहमदाबाद से दे वर ट्रैवलिंग एंड दे ट्रैवल द नॉर्थ, और वो बहुत आगे तक गई थी, एंड आई टॉक टू देम।
Okay.
और मैंने सबसे पूछा था दैट व्हाई दिस,
Why?
व्हाई डू यू वांट टू राइड अ बाइक एंड ट्रैवल, व्हाट, उससे क्या होगा? और वो जो आंसर्स मिले थे ना मुझे, वो मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल थे। हर एक फीमेल का अलग रीज़न था, हर एक फीमेल का अलग आंसर था, और वो हर एक आंसर बहुत स्पेशल था।
Wow.
So I did one show on that
Okay.
traveling is a very beautiful thing. बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिमाग में खुलती है,
Yes.
बहुत सारी चीज़ें बंद भी होती है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें शायद नई शुरुआत करने का मन करता है।
True.
You understand, you see life from a different point of view, because you meet a lot of new people, बहुत सारे नए लोगों को देखते हो, उनकी लाइफस्टाइल देखते हो, तब सीखने भी बहुत मिलता है, क्या करना क्या नहीं करना भी समझ आता है, and you just live, you just chill and have fun.
Yeah.
It is very, very important.
Very important, because I also feel that traveling opens up your mind.
Totally.
Because once you go away from the comfort zone of your home, your city, your people, you know, you are exposed to a different world altogether. So you
And-
can connect to different opinions, different lifestyle, different era, different people, different
Yeah.
culture when you are away from your comfort zone. When
Yeah.
you travel, that is what I really believe.
Yeah, and I always feel that so I'm a person जो नेचर वाली जगहों पे जाना ज़्यादा पसंद करता है,
Okay.
बीच, माउंटेन, एनीथिंग बट जस्ट नेचर। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब आप नेचर के करीब होते हो, तब इट फील्स लाइक, यू नो, हैव यू एवर फेल्ट दैट कि ज़िंदगी में बहुत कुछ चल रहा है, योर माइंड इज़ वेरी chaotic, योर होल लाइफ इज़ chaotic, एंड यू हग योर मॉम, मम्मी को हक करने के साथ एवरीथिंग जस्ट
Settles down.
just goes away.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
I feel exactly like that.
Wow.
Whenever I travel,
हाँ.
especially ऐसी जगह जहाँ बीच है, जहाँ mountains है, जहाँ nature है, I feel exactly like that. And वो जो chaos होता है ना, वो ऐसे it just disappears. Magically disappears. And
Right.
that's what traveling does to me.
So, are there any traveling destinations that you really want to go to?
Yeah, there are. So recently we went to South Africa. We explored jungle safari and oh my God,
Mind-boggling.
mind-boggling. मतलब मैंने वहाँ lion भी देखा, मैंने वहाँ zebra भी देखा, but the moment I saw giraffe, it was this close, okay, this close. और मैं यहाँ थी और मैं ऐसे देखी, and it was like, oh my God, this is crazy and this is so beautiful. और वो हम, we are just having tea openly, we're not sitting in the jeep. और ये chair पड़ी है वहाँ giraffe, and I was like, this is so beautiful.
I know.
The skin, the texture, it's their world.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
beautiful. So this is what I have experienced. Like I said, I am a person who loves mountains and beach food. Sorry. ઘણા બધા લોકો મને
No, I agree with you,
worship.
because I'm also the same person.
I can't choose.
Yeah, I can't choose.
I have that problem,
both,
you know.
Yeah, both are beautiful. Why would you want to choose?
Yeah, I don't want to choose. I want to go everywhere.
I want both.
So I have heard a lot about Lakshadweep.
Yes.
I have friends जो वहाँ जाके भी आए,
Wow.
तो मेरी बहुत इच्छा है कि मैं वहाँ जाऊँ.
Do you know that even we have a beautiful resort there?
Oh,
Praveg has amazing property there.
oh, I didn't
And
know that.
I will tell you that even Lakshadweep is now one of the best wedding destinations.
Oh yes, I've heard.
Yes. And Lakshadweep also has a lot of water activities.
Correct.
So I'm sure you would like to go there.
Oh, I would love to. I would love to go. It is there in the list. Actually, there's no proper checklist. It just comes to my mind and
Yeah.
बस मुझे जाना है.
Yes.
इस टाइप का है. So Lakshadweep is there, and oh, I would really love to visit.
Right. Also, since you were talking about wildlife, there is a beautiful place very nearby, which is Javai.
Oh yes.
I'm sure you must have heard about
Yeah, I have. Of course, I have. Great. I have 2 destinations. Now I will go. I will plan.
it. Yes. Okay, Radhika. So, 2 of your destinations have been finalized.
Yes.
Right here,
100%.
right now.
Yes.
And we would look forward to your pictures of those
course,
destinations.
Of course, of course.
Now tell me, Radhika, what is that one thing that has to be with you when you travel?
Harsh. बस life set है.
Life set है पूरी.
Because I'm telling you, I'm clueless when I travel. હું મારું મગજ ઘરે મૂકીને જઉં છું. Because I
love
want to.
this answer.
Yeah, I want to travel. I want to have fun.
You
I
do
will
all
just-
the things. I'm just here to travel and enjoy.
Yeah, because he loves. It's not
Yeah,
like that.
of course.
I just put everything on his head કે ભાઈ તારે જ કરવાનું છે ના એવું નથી.
Yeah.
It's not like that. He loves to plan everything,
Wow.
especially the travel. જીવનમાં પ્લાનિંગ ની વાત નથી ચાલી રહી. That I do. But he loves to plan everything. He's very, the beautiful part that he's very excited when we travel because અમે બંને we both are traveling together maybe to that one particular place for the first time.
Right.
But he's excited for me. That how
Aw.
will I react? He will just go and he will be like, "Hey, चल 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 ત્યાં જઈએ ત્યાં બહુ સરસ છે. ઓ ચલ ત્યાં જઈએ ત્યાં બહુ સરસ છે." Or I will be like, "Okay,
Okay, I'm following.
yeah, I'm following."
Surprise me.
So if my phone is not working, for
Yeah,
example,
yeah.
I will be lost.
Oh.
I will be lost because I will just hold his hand and I will go everywhere. if I forget anything, he will have that.
Right.
If I am wearing a heel, he will have flats
Wow.
because he knows કે થોડીક વારમાં થાકી જશે. પછી મારા માથે જ
This
આવશે.
is all about couple goals, I tell you. Touch wood, green flag.
Yeah, he is a green forest.
So,
One thing I need when I travel, Harsh.
okay, Harsh, सामने ले.
Okay.
So, we as such, अभी क्या हो रहा है कि सोशल एरा की सोशल एरिया में सोशल एरा के ज़माने में आपको सिर्फ रेडियो तक ही आप सीमित नहीं रहते. You know, you have to be on social media.
Correct.
You have to do a lot many other things.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what I have observed from your social media
Oh. I am excited.
is Harsh again. Your stories and your pictures with Harsh, they're so beautiful. They're so organic, so natural, and I love both of you all so much. I tell you.
Thank you.
I'm taking this opportunity to tell you this here in front of this camera.
Thank you so much. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So do you feel the pressure of the social media that you have to, match up to a certain level, or you have to post something on the social media?
Really.
Right?
So I don't know. See, everyone is doing great on social media. Okay. हर एक इंसान अपने तरीके से अपने कंटेंट बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है और उन्हें बहुत अच्छी तरक्की मिले. Whatever they are doing for themselves. They
Right.
really wish to grow. There is some target they want to reach there, and they want to achieve things. So
Right.
they are doing it.
Right.
I also want to, but I am not a person who can be in pressure. I will have to post this. I don't get into that calculation. It's not good. It's not good.
No, it's not good, but it's good.
I know.
Because I can relate to this so much.
I am a very
And I understand
I
that.
say that with zero pride. Please, ऐसा मत समझना कि I'm very proud of it. No, I'm not. I'm just confessing that I'm a little moody person.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I feel like, I will post. If I don't feel like, I will not.
Simple.
And also, whenever I wish to post something, I really want, for example, Orta Tribe. I'm very clear that I want to tell stories, but I want to tell stories in a very good way. It should be, at least from my side, it should be well written, well directed, well acted, well made, well produced, well edited, everything.
Right.
This is what I like,
Right.
and this is how I function.
Right.
I'm not very बहुत सारे लोग एक्सपर्ट होते हैं. I really wish to learn that, but I'm not a person who will just start making videos like that. Oh, I'm very conscious. So not there yet.
Yes.
Okay, I'm trying.
You try.
Yeah, but still I'm not a person who is under pressure and who will post something out of pressure that oh, I will have to post this.
Yes.
I can't do that.
No deadlines for that.
No, if I'm work, if there is a client
Collab or something.
commitment,
Yeah.
I will do that.
Yes.
For sure, I will do
But
that.
for yourself,
But yeah, for myself, and also it depends that what I wish to post and what I don't wish to post. I don't want to make everything public.
true.
I don't want to share maybe everything. When I feel like I will do, when I don't feel like I won't.
But we look forward to your Garba post for
Oh
sure.
भाई गरबा तो गरबा में मेरा
अलग level, अलग level. है ना?
अलग level. It's something else.
I
I
know.
can't explain in words.
I know. So I really remember that we connected in 2017 or 18, I guess. Yes.
Wow.
Garba na Truj.
Okay.
So that's a long time. Yeah, long time. Yeah.
Wow. And we meet
Hey,
every
Garba
year.
ni baat to tha hi.
Yeah,
Yes,
we
we
meet
meet
every year.
every year.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, Radhika, we have a very
Sorry
interesting.
to cut you. તમને એવું લાગશે કે હું બહુ બોલું છું તો મને કાપી દેજો વચ્ચે.
No.
હા.
So we have a very interesting segment in this podcast,
Okay.
which is choice is yours.
Okay.
And here I'll give you two options,
Okay.
and you have to select one and both rapidly.
Oh, this feels so weird because we do this on radio.
See?
We are the ones के जो guest के साथ interview लेते time we play such games and segments. This feels very weird and very new, and I'm very nervous.
So now you know what you make others feel,
I
right?
know, but I'm a very nice person. I don't do that.
Don't worry, I'll also do very nice, like very good questions, and you'll enjoy this for sure.
Yes.
Okay, Radhika, so we start with choice is yours.
Okay.
I'm wearing my specs because I need to
Yes.
read. Okay.
Hmm.
Mountain, beaches.
You
I
know
know.
the answer.
I know.
Both. I can't say like, see, okay, before we move forward, I will tell you one thing. I am a terrible person. Terrible person when it comes to choosing one. So if you tell me which one is your favorite color, I won't have an answer because I love all the colors. Which one is your favorite song? I won't have an answer because I have so many. Okay, only one thing which I am sure about, my favorite actor Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay, so we are not going there. I'm not going to give you any other option. So, planned, impromptu.
No, planned.
Okay. Solo, group.
Group.
Okay. Budget, luxury.
Anything.
Okay.
I'm fine with anything and everything.
Okay. Road trip, flying down.
Again, anything.
Okay.
Just a good company. What I always feel is no matter wherever you travel, you should have a good company, and that is going to make a very big difference.
Yes, I agree. But still, you have to choose one. Cityscapes, countryside.
Countryside.
All right. Local bus, train.
Depends on which city you are traveling in. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक सिटी का असली मजा आपको लोकल चीजें करके
Public
ज़्यादा आता है.
transport. Yeah, everything.
So
Yeah.
I would love to travel and try local bus.
Okay. पहाड़ों वाली मैगी या 5 स्टार का बफे.
है पहाड़ों वाली लाइफ।
शूट और डॉक्यूमेंट करते करते या मेंटल अटेंशन, मन से एब्जॉर्ब करना?
मन से अब्जॉर्ब करना फॉर श्योर। सो जितनी भी स्टोरीज आप मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे देखते हो वो मैं रखती हूँ वापस आके व्हेन आई कम बैक टू इंडिया और माय होम
यस,
और इन जनरल द होटल रूम वेयर एवर वी आर स्टेइंग।
राइट।
और वो सारी स्टोरीज होती है हर्ष के फोन की। I have
Okay.
zero videos and zero photos because my
Alright.
phone is in his bag or my bag. I don't even take out my phone. I
Wow.
don't take a single photo. I just want to absorb everything.
Let me tell you something. I am a professional photographer,
Oh,
but you know what? Sometimes I feel that I need to see things with my naked eyes.
I
I don't want that camera no viewfinder bhi I don't want. I just want to watch. I just want to see.
correct.
है ना?
So I'll tell you one experience in South Africa, Amakhala resort, and there was a huge jungle. We went for safari. We were looking for lions. Okay. एंड मैं हमारा तमने करो ना कि दूर का देखने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, सो ही ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू से सी यू कैन यू स्पॉट एंड आई वाज लाइक ना आई कांट स्पॉट। सो ही वाज ट्राइंग टू फाइंड देम, वी टुक अ टर्न एंड ही स्टॉप्ड एंड द मोमेंट आई सॉ अप देयर वाज अ लायन
Wow.
right staring into my eyes.
Oh.
He was walking towards me. I was just looking at him. For the very first time, I was looking at a lion this close, and I wanted to remember that moment forever.
Yes. In your mind.
In my mind,
Yes.
not by looking into the phone. I didn't have phone in my hands. I didn't take a video. I didn't take a photo, but I still remember those eyes.
And that is what matters.
Yeah, that matters to me.
Yep. Okay. So, adventure या leisure?
Adventure.
Okay.
Nah, it depends, huh? Depends on what I will tell you.
A
अगर बहुत-
constant conflict going on.
Yeah, but see, I told you, I can't choose. I told you. But so why? Because if बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया है, for example, बहुत महीनों तक, आधे साल तक बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया है, then you just want to chill.
Yeah. Relax.
कि बस chill.
Yeah.
पर अगर इतना काम नहीं किया और बॉडी में एनर्जी है तो एडवेंचर है।
Alright. लद्दाख में बाइक या गोवा में स्कूटी?
Difficult choice.
I know.
Goa is our favorite place. We go to Goa every single year.
Wow. Okay.
Every year.
That's a ritual.
Yeah, that's a ritual.
Okay.
We go to Goa every year, and that's our favorite place.
Have you been to Ladakh? Oh, you should go. You
I
should.
really wish to, you know.
It's an amazing place.
અત્યારે લદ્દાખ.
Okay. Refer to. Do you refer to social media or self-plan?
Harsh plan.
Harsh.
I don't plan.
Historical monuments or urban scapes?
नहीं, historical.
Okay. Okay. Chai या coffee?
Coffee.
Okay. घर से हुए लाया हुआ थेपला या बाहर का पिज्जा?
Both. So I am a person जो एक जगह पे जाके एक ही टेबल पे बैठ के एक ही टाइप का खाना खाएगा. Will not experiment a lot.
Okay.
But when we travel, I would like to try
Right.
and see
Right.
whether if I like it or not.
Right.
So thepla to is always
Point.
going to be there.
It's gonna
But
be
I will
there.
try.
Right.
Wherever I am, I will
Right.
try different things.
Okay. This is interesting because this interests me as well. Traveling में साड़ी या pants? Do you carry a sari with you?
I always carry a sari.
Wow. Okay, high five on
Always.
that.
Always. I always carry sari. I always carry bangles, jhumka, bindi, everything Indian. Everything. I don't know when I will be in mood of wearing
So
sari.
wearing a sari.
I need just in case. I am that just in case person. I will pack everything just in case. આ તો લઈને જ જાત, બાકી મારે ઘાઘરા ચોલી લઈ જાઉં. Just in case.
ક્યાં ગરબા વાગે ને મને ઈચ્છા થઈ જાય. Wow. Okay, so early morning flights or red eye flights?
Or
Red eye flight. રાતની ઉજાગરા વાળી.
early morning flights are very difficult. Very, very difficult. That too when it's around 4 or 5. You have to reach airport before 3 hours or 2 hours. મોત આવે મને ઉઠતા. મને એવું થાય, just skip this
નથી
part.
જોવા.
આ part હટાઈ દઈએ, બાકી બધું બરાબર છે.
Okay, one song that defines your travel mood.
Okay, very interestingly, we have me and Harsh, we as in, very different playlist.
Playlist? Oh, okay.
It depends upon the mood. It depends upon the place.
Okay.
It depends upon the vibe. You will not believe, South Africa mein, entire South Africa, we only listen to Gujarati songs.
Don't tell me.
Yeah. I have stories that we have listened to Gujarati songs, beautiful romantic Gujarati songs.
Sugam Sangeet.
Yeah. So it all depends upon the vibe. What is the vibe?
Right.
I am a full 90s kid. I love Govinda songs. I love Sukhwinder. I love Shankar Ehsaan Loy. I love Vishal Shekhar, Amit Trivedi. उनके सारे गाने, सोनू निगम के सारे गाने. So it depends.
હા, પણ તો બી હું છોડવાની નથી તને. એક song.
Travel વાળું.
Yes. Which gives you that vibe, travel vibe.
Highway songs. And Safarnama.
Oh, Safarnama is તો
I think
yeah,
સભી કા favorite.
બધાનું favorite હશે,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Now we are done with this. Choice is yours. But I
લે,
really
મજા આવી
want to
મને
know.
તો.
મજા આવી ને?
Yeah.
I really want to know that you already said that you went to Himachal Pradesh, but still, what is your first trip? What is your first trip that changed your view about the world?
Okay, there is a funny story. In 10th standard, हमारी स्कूल हमें ले गई थी मुंबई. So I am from Kalol. Okay.
Okay.
I am born in Ahmedabad. Stayed in Kalol. Brought up in Kalol. So Kalol થી સીધા મુંબઈ 10th standard માં. With a thought કે મુંબઈમાં તો સ્ટાર્સ આમ રસ્તા પર ફરતા હોય. ઓકે, એવું અમારા મગજમાં હતું. The moment. So and also we went by bus.
Okay.
Okay. The saddest part for me was અમારે સ્કૂલ ડ્રેસ પહેરવાનું હતું આખી ટ્રીપમાં.
Don't tell me.
Yeah, we wore a school dress. મુંબઈની આખી ટ્રીપમાં ને I was like, oh my god, કોઈ એક્ટર મને જોઈ ગયો તો ને કેવું લાગશે? As if everyone knew me. Okay, 10th standard માં. So that was
So
one.
that was your concern.
That was my concern. Second, when we reached Mumbai, we all were looking like this. કે ક્યાંક તો કોઈ તો દેખાઈ જ જશે. કોઈક તો દેખાઈ જ જશે. And then એ બ્રેક થયું કે એવું ના થાય. એ લોકો રસ્તા પર ના ફરતા હોય, આપણને એવી રીતે ના દેખાતા હોય. So we went to Mannat,
Wow.
Shahruk's
Okay.
bungalow, and for the very first time in my life, I was standing right in front of Shahrukh Khan's bungalow. વિશ્વાસ નતો મને વાતનો. મને એવું લાગતું હતું કે આ લોકો ઉલ્લુ બનાવે છે. They are lying. So I went to the ચોકીદાર of Mannat.
ત્યાં પહોંચવા સુધી બી ટાઈમ લાગે.
Yeah, I went to the chowkidar, and thanks to my small height, cute face, he answered me, and I was like, "ये क्या शाहरुख खान का घर है?" तो चौकीदार, हाँ. शाहरुख खान सच में यहाँ रहते हैं? हाँ, बोला ना. वो कब आएंगे? अरे नहीं मालूम. But then I wanted to confirm. आप सच बोल रहे हो ना? अरे हाँ मेरी माँ हाँ. So 2 things which changed after that Mumbai trip કે મુંબઈમાં બધા જ બોલિવૂડ સ્ટાર્સ રસ્તા પર ના ફરતા હોય અને શાહરુખ ખાન સાચે મન્નતમાં જ રહે છે.
Amazing. Radhika, See, we had a lovely conversation.
Same.
I loved talking to you.
Same here.
You really want to say anything about anything that we haven't covered in the questions, but you really want to say about something, about traveling, about anything.
Okay. આમ તો બહુ બધું છે પણ અત્યારે ટોપ ઓફ માય હેડ એન્ડ માય થોટ પ્રોસેસ ઇઝ વન થિંગ which is also connected with travel. I don't know about everyone's mom, but मोटा भागनी मम्मियों बहुत ज़्यादातर मम्मियाँ उन्होंने इतना ट्रैवल नहीं किया. ओके शायद किया होगा, आई डोंट नो, बट मेरी मम्मी ने नहीं किया इतना ज़्यादा. और शी लव्स टू ट्रैवल.
Wow.
She wants to go to different places and experience everything and just be there and enjoy. So this is one thing which I have planned, that I really wish to travel with my mom.
Wow.
Because I read somewhere that I लिखा था कहीं पे that I just realized कि ये मेरी मम्मी की भी पहली लाइफ.
Absolutely.
And I was like, yeah. Because she's our mom, we never realized that she's also experiencing everything for the first time.
First time,
Because
yeah.
this is her first life.
True.
वो भी जैसे हम पहली बार एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं, वो भी पहली बार एक्सपीरियंस कर रही है. शायद अभी तक उसने अलग अलग चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस की है, बट अब नाउ वी कैन प्लान हर एक्सपीरियंसेस
Yes.
and we can make sure that she has good memories and good experiences.
Wow. That is so
So-
good. Such a beautiful thought, I tell you, Radhika.
So this is what I wish to do. I want
Wow.
to travel, but I want to travel with my mom. પપ્પા પણ છે જ હં. પપ્પાને પણ એટલો જ પ્રેમ છે, પણ પપ્પાએ ટ્રાવેલ કરેલું છે, ઘણું બધું ટ્રાવેલ કરેલું છે. માય ડેડ ઇઝ અ મ્યુઝિશિયન એન્ડ વર્લ્ડ ટૂર ને એ બધું હી હેઝ ડન ધેટ.
Yeah.
હી હેઝ સીન ધ વર્લ્ડ.
Got
ઓકે માય મોમ હેઝ.
Got
તો એટલે મમ્મી પર જરાક ફોકસ વધારે છે, બાકી પપ્પા એટલા જ વધારે વાલા છે. એવું ના કહેવાય, બંને ઇક્વલ
બંને સરખા છે.
બંને ઇક્વલ વાલા છે. But yeah, I really wish to travel with my family and I want my mom to experience everything from beaches to clubs to mountains to deserts to every single.
Wow.
I want her to see everything.
Wow. So we, from Praveg podcast, we really wish that you go to some of our resorts and enjoy the stay with your mom also.
I would love
we
to.
we really wish that.
I would love to. અને મારી મમ્મીને આવું ખબર પડશે તો તમે ઘરે જમવા બોલાવશે.
આવું છું. કાઠિયાવાડી.
she'll say કે ઓ આવો તો ઘરે જમવા આવો ને, તમને શું ભાવે હું બનાવીશ. Because I think for them showing love or telling you that I love you is
Through food.
through food.
Yeah, always.
When she
always.
feeds you, that means she loves you.
Yes. It was wonderful talking to you,
Thank you.
Radhika. I
Likewise.
so enjoyed this conversation with you.
Thank you.
Heartfelt, and yeah, my heart is all, happy.
Yay, thank you. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that one face જેનું દર નવરાત્રિએ જોતી હતી. I never thought that આપણે આટલી સારી વાતો કરીશું અને આ રીતે કનેક્ટ કરીશું, but I'm very happy. Thank you so much. Thank you. I loved it, enjoyed, and yeah, looking forward to see you in Navratri again.
Yes, for sure. Again.
Hi, હું છું Radhika from Radio City 91.1 and I'm here with Praveg. We are going to talk about travel, memories and stories.
And we are so happy to have Radhika here with us talking about travel for Praveg Podcast.